Hi, this is Pratyusha from Pratvam Progs. I'm here to share a long pending tutorial for the double recycle cans. It has been appreciated many times for the way it looks or for the ways it can be used in. And it's a very simple project, anyone can do it. But if kids are trying it out, please do remember to have adult supervision. And so let's get right ahead to the tutorial. um, you will be needing um, a marker. It's not necessary, but in the beginning you might want to use it so that your cuts are uniform. um, you need two cans, preferably keep them the same, uh, because if they're not the same then the bases won't match each other. And we'll need a cutter. This is a jumbo cutter. You'll need a pair of scissors for cutting. Then you will need two tools. These are my quilling tools. You'll need a slotted tool like this and then a needle tool like this. I prefer using the needle tool for the first level, that is to make this part, and for the second base I like to use my slotted tool. And then you'll need Fevibond so that you can stick both the bases and keep them secure. So these are the products that you will need. So the first step of this tutorial would be to cut your can. So I'll go ahead and use my cutter and just make an initial cut. So while doing this cutting, just make sure that you do not cut away a lot of the length of the can, and please be careful while cutting. You might get a ragged edge like this, like I got in mine. So what you have to do is you just have to cut it away with a scissor. So the next step would be to cut both the cans. I already cut my cans. So the next step will be measuring. We'll be doing the first can, I mean the top layer, that is this first. For this, what you need to do is you need to measure 1 centimeter. Your cuts will be uniform when you do it this way. You just have to go around measuring 1 centimeter. You will have to do this using the marker. Just keep on placing the 1 centimeter mark, and then you can go right ahead and cut it up. While cutting, please be careful. So in this manner you will finish the whole can. I've already finished the can for you. I'll just show that. This is how your finished product will look. This is the top layer. So you would have cut them out like this. Now for the second layer, what you have to do is measure like 0.3 mm and use your marker to mark it up. Maybe even 2 would do, 2 mm. Just mark it all over for 2 mm, and then you go ahead and cut this too. Here the strips will be very thin because it's just 2 mm. compared to the top layer, which was 1 centimeter. So this is how your cuts will be, and I've already cut one to show you how it will look. So this is how the second layer will be like once you're done with it. The next step in this would be to roll it up. We'll first roll the top layer, that is the 1 centimeter layer. How we're going to do this to get this shape is that we'll take one strip, bend it at 90 degrees. Bend it at 90 degrees to the can, and then use the tool to curve it up a bit, and then roll it using the tool itself and or using your hand. So I'll just tell it to you again. Take the strip, bend it to 90 degrees, take your tool, curve the strip a bit, roll the top layer onto your tool. You can use the tool, but I prefer using my hand to finish. So you can do the whole piece, you can finish all of these strips and it would look something like this. So let me just finish this fast. You can keep adjusting it so that it's all in one level, and till you're satisfied. You can keep adjusting it to make it round enough. So here it is. So let's go on to the second part of the can then. This is how it will look after you've done all the cutting. What you're going to do, you can just put your hand like this and flatten this out a bit and push it out, because this is how the bottom will be, because you're going to place it like this. So you will have an idea up to which mark you'll have to twirl this second layer. So just do that step, and it's easier also to twirl the paper after you've done twirl your tin sheet after you do this. So all you have to do, there's a slot, push it through the slot, push your can through the slot, and keep twisting it till you get to the bottom. So you'll have to feed it through the slot, feed the strip through the slot and twirl it. Okay. Now that we're done, you're going to see that it's all uneven and stuff. I mean, the rolling. So what we're going to do is use our hands and try to push this outwards. And we're done with the second part of the can. Now the only thing that is left is for us to stick both of these on top of each other. So for that we're going to use Fevibond. Just apply a little bit all around and let it dry for 2 minutes. Just let it apply and leave it for 2 minutes and then you can stick them. Just press it nicely so that it sticks to each other and it's in place. After you stick, if you find there are some places where it has to come out a little bit more, you can still do that with your fingers. And there you go, the final product looks like this. You can use it as a magnet with a picture frame there, or you can use it as a tea light candle light. You can keep it there. So I hope you liked the tutorial. I would like to see how you try it out. Thank you for watching. Leaving you with a few of my other projects done using the cans. If you would like a tutorial for any one of them, just drop a message on my FB page and I'll try my level best.